Hi, my name is Reagan Stead, and the article I chose for my presentation is eBooks and eBook Apps Considerations for Beginning Readers. Some important features about ebooks are the narration, hotspots, auditory features, and visual aids. The narration is the text is read by a narrator or a digital voice. Hotspots are graphics, words, or sections of the text that link to a game or perform an action when touched or selected. Auditory features are music, sound effects, or songs that accompany text and may be embedded or initiated by the reader. And visual aids are picture supports that may or may not have animation. So all of these features aid the student in reading the story and make it more interesting for them. The reading levels A through C are for more of the beginning readers. So these levels are supportive of emergent readers. They support the learning of a few target high frequency words, which are often repeated in the pattern text. They have memorable repeated sentence patterns and patterns that closely follow children's oral language. And they also use a larger font, exaggerating spacing between words, and consistent placement of the text on the page. So these books will be read by students who have struggles reading and those who are also beginning to read. So it'll span from A through C. The next set of levels are reading levels D through G. Repetitive and non-repetitive texts most often appear in this set of levels. The story begins to include literary elements like plot, characters, and setting. The structures of these texts provide opportunities for the student to notice or self-monitor on words that are known and problem-solve unknown words using meaning and initial letter-sound relationships. Some app and ebook resources are Who Can Read. This is an app which helps students read and advance pages on their own. Narration is available on this app, replay narration, autoplay, and it's available for an iPad. Another app is RazKids Learning A through Z. Students can read and advance pages on their own. Narration is available. Autoplay, record and share oral reading of the text. Text highlighted as each word is read. Accompanying assessment. It's available for the iPad, Android, and Kindle Fire. PM Collection is a resource where students can read and advance pages on their own. Has narration available, replay narration, autoplay. Students can record and share oral reading of the text. It has pronunciation support, and it's available for the iPad. And then the last one is Unite for Literacy, where students can read and advance pages on their own. Has narration available, replay narration, additional languages are available, and it's available on the iPad. Okay, so ebooks and ebook apps also have a lot of support for English language learners. Some of the scaffolds that ebooks provide include the modeling of oral language in the second language and pronunciation guides and definitions. Many ebooks are also available in both the primary language of the student and the language of instruction. So English language learners can read in their own language and also see how it compares to English. And then it's also helpful because their parents can also help them learn how to read in English while also still being able to read in their primary language. And then this is just the bibliography.